The API key has been set. The next thing that we have to do is use the models in our application. And in our course, I'll be using Python as the application development platform. So I'll be using Python coding to communicate or to create applications using GenAI models. As I'm using Python, I need to have certain libraries. The first one is for Gemini. So for Gemini, you'll have to install this library Google-Gemini using the pip command, pip3 install Google-Gemini. And for OpenAI, the name of the library or the name of the module itself is OpenAI. So I'll have to install both of these in my project or in my directory where I'll be creating the code. Now, why these modules and why these libraries are needed? These are nothing but the SDKs that I was talking about, a software development kit. These SDKs provide a lot of APIs, a lot of functions, methods, etc., which can be used to communicate with the GenAI models. So let's say we have our Python application and we have Gemini or GPT series of models. We import these libraries or we install these libraries, and using these libraries or modules or SDKs, we make API call to the GenAI models. And this is what a GenAI developer does. We do not create the models. We do not create the AI models. We only use them. We are GenAI model users. We are not model developers. Now the question is what to do with these APIs, right? So what is the purpose of these APIs? Using these APIs, we'll be generating text, we can generate image, we can generate code, video, audio, etc. So that's what we are going to do. Obviously, we'll be creating an end-to-end application also. We'll be starting with a very simple application, and as we proceed, we'll be creating complex application using agentic AI also. But right now, I'll be using these APIs to build basic applications using the Gemini and GPT series of models. The first one would be the GPT series of models, which is OpenAI. Once that is done, then we'll go into Gemini. All right, so let us go ahead and install these libraries, which are pretty important for our application development. Now, when I say libraries, remember that it is synonymous to SDKs, or it is synonymous to modules, or you can think of it as API library also. And this is my PyCharm environment. You have already seen this in my earlier sections of this course. I have created a new folder named Application Development using GenAI. I'll be creating multiple folders as we proceed. But the first thing that we have to do is install the libraries, right? So I'm using this terminal, and first I'll install OpenAI, which is done. And next I'll install Gemini's SDK. And the name of the SDK is Google-Gemini. All right, both of them are done. So we are done with the setup of the environment. Now we will be starting from very basic and go into complex stuff.